After I was healed, I just had new energy. We even went to, check this out, the archery range with my both repaired arms at that point in time. I'm Kristy Stenberg, and Dr. Puskas gave me a new shoulder. 8 months later, I broke this one. Both shoulders pretty much good as new and no pain. So that's awesome. I used to be a teacher, and I was having trouble writing up on the whiteboard. I was kind of having to support it. When the day came that I couldn't play tennis anymore, that's when I decided to go see Dr. Puskas. What I remember real distinctly about that first appointment was how well he explained things to me. I understood everything he said. When I walked out of the office, I knew exactly what I was looking at. At the end of the appointment, he would say, "Do you have any questions?" I'd be like, "You answered them all before I asked them." I really felt like he cared. I felt like a person with a life, and he wanted to make it better. And he was very positive, very confident that I would be happy to have it replaced. I felt important. It makes you feel like you're making the right decision. When you lose the ability to use your dominant arm properly, you don't realize how much you lose. You know, getting things off a top shelf. Driving the car, that sort of amazed me. You don't think of the steering wheel as being that big a deal, but sometimes just lifting my arm that high, it just hurt. Pain kind of comes on slowly, and you get used to it, and you just kind of learn to live with it. And then when it's gone, you look back and go, oh, wow, what did I live with that for? Recovery was very successful. I don't remember feeling pain during the recovery. The PTs were very impressed. They're like, oh my gosh, you already have so much of your movement back. But my interactions with my grandchildren changed practically day and night. Before the surgery, it was exhausting. And to have that energy back and to be able to do things with my grandkids, I took a little vacation with a couple of them, and we went to the beach, we went swimming. That was well worth whatever recovery period I had to go through to get pain-free, really. Once I was better and I looked back, it was like, how did I put up with that for so long? I couldn't even wipe off the kitchen counters without it hurting. There's almost nothing I can't do.